Hello guys, welcome to the house tour. Come inside, come in. This is a brand new 3-bedroom apartment. Let me show you around. Here we have the visitors toilet. So nice, fresh, sparkling, clean. Oh my god, like first time. Nobody has lived in this place. This is a brand new apartment. Just check out the toilet. It's so spacious and beautiful. Come. Then this is just a mini lounge where you can put your shoes. Shoe rack will be here. Here the door is supposed to be here, but because it's still new, still work in progress, the door hasn't been fixed. The blinds as well, nothing has been fixed, but it's still work in progress. Look at this living room, so nice. It's giving luxury. Just check out this lamp, so beautiful. It just brings out the color of the apartment. This beautiful couch, like it's a white themed house. And then here we have a little bit of storage just underneath here. The doors haven't been fixed, they'll be fixed in a bit. Then come and see the kitchen. The kitchen is so beautiful. Here the fridge will be here. Then we have these drawers, we have these cupboards. Here the washing machine will be here. Then the dining, so beautiful. Everything is still brand new, and this is a white themed apartment. Like I said, come and see the back. The back is spacious, so nice, fresh. You can have your events here without having to rent or stress about, event space and all of that. This space can carry like 20-30 people, if I'm not mistaken. Come. Let me show you upstairs. Just look at the staircase, so wide. It's wide, fresh, clean. The owner is actually our friend. She just got this place and moved, so she called us to come and help her do a few things. So we came to do all the all this little handyman kind of thing. In this UK, handyman is not being so, and that's why we're here. This is a little storage space. Like I said, that the doors are not yet fixed. Someone else will come and fix the door for her. Then this is the master room. Look at how big it is. Just look at how big this master room is. Hey God, it's giving. Come and see the toilet. Come. Ignore any noise. So Zoe, Zane, and the house owner, they are downstairs. They are making noise. They are playing. Look at this nice bath. It's spacious. Like 2 people can have their bath in this place comfortably without squeezing. This is not the regular UK house. I don't know, for some reason this place is so big. The toilet is big as well. Come, let me show you the other room. That's the view from this master room. You'll see the backyard. The view is the backyard from the master room. Then this is the main toilet. This toilet will serve the 2 rooms. I'll show you guys the rooms. Look at this heating. It's big. It's so long, like 3 stairs. So big. Come and see. Okay, so this is where she puts her bed for now. She definitely move it. Like I said, she just moved and the things are not ready, but at least she has to sleep, right? So this is one of the rooms, and then this is the last room. Usually when you say you have a 3-bed in the UK, like our house for example, you call it 2.5 because the third room is very small. But this one, it can fit a double bed, if I'm not mistaken. It's very wide. It can fit a double bed. Very spacious. All right, guys, if you've watched up until this point, let me know what is your favorite part in the house. Is it the backyard? Is it the toilet? Is it the rooms? Or is it the parlor? That's the living room or the kitchen? For me, like, I like everywhere. From the back of the house, it's so spacious. The rooms are giving, the kitchen spacious, so beautiful and nice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like more videos like this, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remain blessed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.